Hello everyone, my name is Taitin. You can call me Emily. I am 15 years old. I am attending Teacher Suk International School. I am from PET 134 weekday online class. My main teacher is Teacher Rachel and my assistant teachers are Teacher Sammy and Teacher Catherine. In this part, I am participating in the virtual Daejeon sing and dance competition. I also have someone who is helping me. It is my father. He will be taking part as a singer and I will be performing the dance. Wait, before I start my dance performance, I would like to briefly explain about Daejeon. Daejeon is Myanmar New Year festival. During this time, people splash water on each other. This is not only for fun, but also represents the cleansing of bad luck and negative energy from the past year. People also do charity by offering traditional snacks such as molo yibo and molesa. These are popular seasonal foods during the Daejeon festival. There is also a flower that represents the Daejeon, which is called the dog flowers.
But